There are many laws and regulations to be aware of as a landlord in Phoenix, and if you're new to being a real estate investor, it can be overwhelming to navigate. Today we are going to dive into understanding more about the security deposit and what you need to be aware of to comply with the Arizona Residential Landlord-Tenant Act. Regulations are in place to cap the amount a landlord can request for a security deposit as part of the landlord-resident law. Under Arizona security deposit laws, a landlord can request a maximum of 1.5 months' rent for security deposits. Are non-refundable fees allowed under Arizona security deposit laws? Yes, a landlord can request non-refundable fees apart from security deposits if they specify fees as non-refundable within the lease agreement. For example, a landlord may ask for a non-refundable pet or cleaning deposit. Under Arizona's laws, a landlord must return a security deposit or an accounting of the use of their funds to the resident within 14 business days. The 14-day period begins once the resident has terminated the lease agreement, returned the keys, and vacated the premises and requested the return of the security deposit. Certain situations can cause the landlord to withhold either a portion or the entire amount of a resident's security deposit. In the state of Arizona and under Arizona security deposit laws, these can include: a landlord can withhold the deposit if a resident excessively damages the property beyond normal wear and tear. The excessive damages cannot be pre-existing. This is why it is important to perform a walkthrough prior to leasing, which we will address more later on. Security deposits can be used to cover cleaning costs if the residents did not return the property in the condition in which they received it. If the landlord has agreed to allow pets or the residents bring an unauthorized pet into the home and the animal causes destruction to the property, the security deposit can be used for repairing that damage. Security deposits can be used to pay for non-refundable fees or unpaid charges, providing the amounts have been specifically written into the lease. In cases of residents abandoning the property and with proper notice from the landlord, the security deposit can be used for unpaid rent. A security deposit can help cover excessive damages that are not caused by normal wear and tear. Arizona landlords are responsible for fixing normal wear and tear or damage caused by daily living. While Arizona law does not have a formal definition, normal wear and tear damage may normally include things like in a rental unit, like a sliding door that has come off its track, small holes made by thumbtacks, and minor paint chips. Water damage, large holes in the wall of the rental unit, and heavy stains on the carpet are examples of excessive damage. It is very wise for the landlord to perform a walkthrough inspection before a resident takes possession of the property. The landlord should first perform a walkthrough inspection to note all pre-existing damages for the move-out inspection. The landlord should pay attention to the condition of the walls, ceilings, and floors, as well as the appliances. After the resident moves in and within the first 5 days of their lease, the resident should then perform their own inspection and document any issues found. These steps can help the landlord and resident avoid future disputes and protects both parties when the move-out inspection is conducted and any possible charges are being applied to the security deposit. A property management company can assist by answering questions you have about security deposits. If you're still feeling confused, get in touch with our team at Service Star Realty. We'll help your rental property find success adhering to the Arizona law.